Stand up. Mel, we have a big problem.
What's the problem, Robert?
Well, you know we have thousands of customers, right?
Right.
And you know we have our platinum program, right?
A good program.
Yeah, where we give our customers 4 free shipping coupons per year. You can ship items under £5 for free because we're going to give you a free shipping coupon every 3 months.
Wow, that's some awesome stuff.
Yeah, that is awesome, but here's the problem. Only 10% of our members have joined the platinum program.
Only 10%? Robert, that's only the people them think you're going to charge them, man.
Charge? No, it's free to join, and once you join, it is going to be free for you for life. You see, even if we decide that in the future we're going to charge for the program, once you're in now for free, you will remain a free customer for life. I'm putting it on record right now.
And I am here as witness.
You hear that? She's witnessing it. Join the platinum program right now. You don't want the free coupons? Ship for free.
Make them give you something for free.
Hey, well, it's true.